Alrighty guys, just load up the trailer. About to meet up with SeanC fishing. I'll leave a link to his YouTube down in the description. Gonna meet up for some brekkie, then load up in a new part of the Mary that we haven't explored yet, so should be pretty good. We'll probably mainly catch sooties. Hopefully we'll catch a few big bass though, that would be nice. Oh. Hopefully even a toga. I'll see you when we're out in the water. You! Oh, yep. Big swipe. Oh. No, it's a big sooty. See him? A sooty. Oh, yep. Oh. Oh, he got off. That was big. That would have been good to catch. Felt big. Yeah. PB bass. Oh. PB sooty. Nah, that's small as. Nice little sooty. Hit the boat a little bit. What is he? A mini caddy? Tiny caddy. Fish on. Yeah. Big bass. First time I had to use the net today. Dude, he inhaled that. Bassy boy.
Tricky. Oh my god.
That's all. Easy release.
On what?
On the grasshopper.
Oh yeah.
Oh. Yeah. Oh. Oh, yep. Fuck. No, it's a sooty.
Whoa. Dude, Did you get it?
Nah.
Oh,
Dude, that broke my wrist, bro.
oh, Toga. Mom. What's going on over there? You out in hot water?
Oh yeah, he got it. No, he got me in the fucking snag, bro. I think I lost this one too. Good size sooty. Yeah, he stuck my lure on a snag down there. Got it. Those were some fat little sooties. Cooking some lunch on the fire.
On the milk river. On the beep river. Pretty good little river, the beep river.
Biggest sooty I've ever seen just came out. There's a sooty there. My sooty. He's my pet. Yeah, you better not catch him. Oh, that's pretty close to his house. Oh no, you got him. Fuck. Because I saw him just before.
Oh. I thought you were just fucking around.
No. Fish on. Yeah, stop over to the grasshopper, bro.
Oh my, no fucking way. Toga! Get over here now.
Get it? No, do you need a net? Do you need a net?
Yes, he does.
Careful, don't pull too hard. Just keep pressure, but don't pull too hard.
Yeah, you're right.
No!
No.
Holy fuck, no way! I just had a tiger on me. It was huge. No shit. Came over. Fuck. Dude, I need a net. No.